Okay, so this Insignia is in for us to test whether the tuning box actually does anything. So tuning box on a 18 plate diesel Insignia. Our first run is going to be without the box on it, so we can get a benchmark, and then we're going to fit the box and we're going to show you whether it makes any power. Fair test. Okay, so she's in.
It'll just wedge down there.
Yeah, we're going to shut the bonnet. So that's the setting that you want to try. And what's
it's the lowest setting. I've got two more, but I'm not really interested.
Okay.
They're saying the lowest setting.
Okay, here we go, test 2. See if it makes some power. Okay, so after limp mode, here we go again. Okay, so there's the proof. The blue line is with the tuning box, and we've made an extra 20 brake and an extra 40 foot-pound of torque. And there you go, 189 and 366.